If you want to open another savings share account, you can do that right from the FFCCU app. Here's how. First, we'll need to get into your Accounts menu. You can do that by tapping the View All that's right here on the main screen. Or find it by tapping the Sandwich Board menu on the main screen and going down to Accounts. Now to add another savings share account, you can either tap Add an Account or go to the plus sign in the top right corner. Next, tap Open an Additional Share. Club accounts have some specific conditions. We're going to choose Savings in this case. And we're going to go with a secondary savings account rather than a money market in this case, though you can see how you would be able to select that as well. Just confirm that you've received your disclosures. Then we need to decide where to provide funds for your new account. The easiest thing to do is just to transfer from one of your existing accounts. Here you'll enter the amount that you'd like to transfer. After that, hit Next to confirm. Take a moment to look everything over. If this all looks right, go ahead and hit Confirm. All right, the green bar at the top indicates that you are all set with your new savings share account. Go ahead and hit Done, and we'll go back to the menu so that you can see it alongside your other accounts. That's all there is to it. Thanks for viewing this week's tutorial. Hope this helps.